be free outside. And look, even William's coming to my house.
Where's William?
Well, I just saw him pass, but whatever.
I am a Jamaican. I don't allow my child to go to people's house.
Yeah, but you could just keep me in the house trapped.
Yeah, Jamaican don't allow them to go to people's yard. I don't know
God
that
made us to be free, though. not
Yes,
trapped.
God made us to be free, but stay
If God
alive.
made us to be free, then I should be able to go outside. I have a right to go outside and play with my friends, you know that.
Outside, but not to go to people's yard. There's only a friend playing outside. They're playing over their house. They're not going over there.
Yeah, I also have a right to go over my friend's house.
No,
as
you
well.
don't. Turn in your yard.
I'm not staying in my stupid house. Oh.